Welcome to Grace Heads, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Here, we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights on the most exciting vehicles on the market. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Prelude, a car that has already captured the attention of car enthusiasts worldwide. The 2025 Honda Prelude marks the triumphant return of an iconic nameplate, blending a modern design with the timeless essence of its predecessors. This sleek sports coupe is a perfect combination of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Its aerodynamic body features sharp lines in the bold front fascia, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The LED headlights and taillights further enhance its futuristic appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 Prelude packs a punch with its powerful engine options. Honda offers a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and a hybrid option, delivering an impressive balance of performance and fuel efficiency. With horsepower figures ranging between 250 and 300, the Prelude promises to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Paired with a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission, it caters to both purists and modern drivers. Inside, the Prelude doesn't disappoint. The cabin is designed with premium materials and a driver-focused layout. A large infotainment touchscreen with Honda's latest software suite ensures seamless connectivity and intuitive controls. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a customizable digital instrument cluster, and advanced driver assistance systems elevate the driving experience to a whole new level. The seats are both sporty and comfortable, making long drives a pleasure. Safety is another strong suit of the 2025 Honda Prelude. It comes equipped with Honda Sensing, a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. Honda's commitment to safety ensures that the Prelude not only performs but also protects. Whether you're looking for a sporty daily driver or a weekend road trip companion, the 2025 Honda Prelude ticks all the boxes. Its blend of performance, style, and technology makes it a standout choice in the competitive sports coupe segment. Thank you for joining us today at Grace Heads. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Honda Prelude, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews, industry updates, and tips. Hit the like button, share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and let us know in the comments what you think about the new Prelude. See you in the next video.